If you are a business owner or a salesperson, this video is for you, because in this video I'm going you to share 5 important things which you must need to have in your sales copy. If you don't have the right sales copy, at the end you are not able to get the business for your company. So watch this video till the end and make sure you have implemented the things whatever I'm sharing in this video. The number one thing, before you create your sales copy, sales script, you need to understand who is your buyer. You need to understand your audience. You need to understand your target customer. Until unless you're not clear who is going to buy your product and service, you are not able to create a right sales copy. Second thing, craft a strong value proposition. No one is going to buy the basic things. You need to have something strong value proposition. Then only you are going to get the maximum out of it. So you need to craft a strong value proposition. Third thing, engage with the compelling headline. You need to have something unique in your headline. You need to have a strong punchline. You need to have an eye-catchy headline. You need to make sure you have amazing things at least in your headline, because headline is the thing which is going to decide how much attention you are going to get from your prospects. The fourth thing which you need to do, build a persuasive narrative. You need to pursue your customer. You need to give them something amazing. You need to showcase them something amazing. You need to show them something that can change their life. Then only they are going to react. The fifth, which is last but not least, include a clear call to action. In your sales copy, you need to have right CTA. Until unless you are not having the CTA, your prospect is not going to take any action. And if they cannot take any action, you are not going to get any outcome. So you need to make sure you have right call to action in your sales copy. Then only your prospect is going to take action. Let me repeat again. Make sure you have noted down and implemented. Understand your audience is the first. Second is the craft a strong value proposition. Third is the engage with a compelling headline. Fourth thing, build a persuasive narrative. Fifth, which is last but not least, include a clear call to action. Without call to action, your prospect is not going to take any action. I hope you found something unique in this video. Please give us like and please give us some amazing feedback about this video. And if you are new, first time you are watching, I really want you can subscribe this channel, because we are going to continuously create such informative videos for you. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Till that time, take care of yourself.